How can you live more aware and mindful living? How can you enrich your health, relationships, and boost your professional career? Hello beloved yogis, and welcome to this digital shala. My name is Taya, and I'm your yoga instructor. When we attain a physical well-being, we can climb the highest mountains. We can reach the tops of our imagination. Yoga will guide you to become more loving, more open-minded, and open-hearted. Reach out and let's have a live class here on the platform. I'm so excited to share what I've got with you as well. Much love. Namaste.